Hello everybody, today we're going to change the farewell screen, which is the goodbye screen you get in your F-150 when you turn basically the ignition off. So right now we're working with a CarABC 12-inch screen for Lincoln Navigator. You insert the USB. If it blinks rapidly and it stops, it means it's too early into the boot up of the APIM. So you take them out, put it back in. You will see a rapid blinking, then a very brief stop, and then it will start reading. You wait until you get the confirmation screen, so you keep seeing. If you have an LED, you'll see it blinks. This is the screen I made, and it'll tell you that you basically have completed the process of changing the video. Now you will remove your USB key, and that will cause the APIM to reboot. Then you can turn the ignition on, the radio comes on, and then to test it, you turn them off, open the door, and the APIM goes out, and the new video will be there as a farewell. Back on the computer, I'll show you exactly how I did it. So the first thing, you'll download the farewell zip that I link into the description of this video. Once you have the zip archive, you want to move it to your desktop, and then you want to unzip it. Once you get that file decompressed, you'll have a folder. Everything inside the folder will go into your USB key. Just to give you a quick tour of what's inside, it's one file, one folder. Move everything into your USB key. Once you have it there, we can go through the file and you'll see how I achieved that. This won't allow not to index. The folder basically will have the confirmation screen once the installation complete. You'll have the new farewell video that I made. And then you have the script. So in the script itself, I show you what I find out and how I achieved this. So the first thing, I basically start to back up your original Lincoln Navigator video. Perhaps in the future you might want to use it. And then I basically found out the folders where all those videos are. And so I go into this folder, I back up the video, I replace the video with the new one and rename it exactly as Lincoln Navigator expected to read it. And then ultimately, after the backup is done, the confirmation up and the screen come in, said the installation went through, and I'll give them a command to reboot them upon you removing the USB key. And this is it. Well, now you have all the information to do it yourself. I hope it'll work for you as well, and we'll see you soon.